The reasons why broilers are not growing could involve more than one reason. The basic cause of slow growth in broilers are poor welfare and genetic makeup of the broiler chicken, which sometimes may not be corrected easily. Every broiler farmer expects to attain uniformity in growth and weight in his or her flock. If faster growth is not achieved, the broiler farmer may end up depressed and lose the money invested. Fortunately, this slow growth can be prevented or minimized if you follow my tips and suggestions. Moreover, I have researched 7 reasons why your broilers are not growing. 1. Poor genetic makeup of the broiler chicken. Broilers are known for their fast growth rate, and this trait is embedded in their genes. However, some events may occur during embryonic development that may affect this particular gene from developing properly, and as such, the resulting broiler chick may not attain its full genetic potential, which includes the fast growth rate. In most cases, this condition is untreatable. Ensure to get your chick from a reputable hatchery that knows what they are doing. The hatchery should have a good track record for producing high-quality chicks. Apart from genetic defects, there are other growth problems that could result from poor hatcheries. These include diseases, deformities like paralysis or lameness due to high temperature in the incubator. If you do the hatching yourself, you should ensure your breeders are well selected and give the right medication that will help them to produce healthy broiler chicks. 2. Overcrowding. Overcrowding exposes the chick to many vices and diseases which can affect the growth of your birds negatively. For instance, overcrowding can lead to cannibalism where birds peck to each other due to limited space and feeder. The result is that the smaller birds will sustain injuries and will be scared to eat, and as much will remain starved most of the time. And again, overcrowding increases the accumulation of chicken droppings, hence increasing litter density, and therefore increases the population of disease-causing organisms in the chicken pen. Also, overcrowding can also cause poor ventilation, heat stress, which in turn decreases feed conversion ratio, and death. All this put together will drastically reduce the growth rate of your broiler chicken. Overcrowding can be controlled through providing enough feeders and drinkers for your broiler chickens. Make sure there is enough space in a well-ventilated pen. The standard floor space requirement for broiler chick is 0.09 square meter. For 100 chicks, is 9 square meter for the first week alone. The floor space should be increased by 0.09 square meter weekly till week 4. 3. Poor brooding method. The first 7 days during brooding are very critical in the life of the chick. The method of brooding broiler in the first week will determine how well your broiler chicks will grow. This is because within the first 7 days, the chick spends 80% of its energy on growth, while 20% on maintenance. The reverse is the case as the chick ages. Therefore, you must maximize this first day for optimum growth. Any mistake made in terms of feed, vaccination, temperature will not only affect its growth but also will threaten its life. During brooding, you must maintain a specific range of temperature for optimal growth. Any deviation from this temperature range will hurt the life of the chick. Optimum temperature for brooding broilers during the first week is between 33 to 35 degrees Celsius. Also make sure their medication and vaccination are up to date. 4. Lack of adequate number of feeders and drinkers. If you want to prevent or minimize the number of small-sized chicken in your flock, provide enough feeders and drinkers. The feeders should be close to the drinkers and easily accessible, but not too close to reduce any chance of food spoilage when the feed mixes with water. Randomly, fill the feeder with little feed to avoid rushing and stampeding. The small-sized birds should be separated and be fed separately. They should be given special feed and care to help them catch up with the expected weight with the rest of the broiler chicken. If you're learning something, kindly do subscribe for more agribusiness-related content in this channel. 5. Lack of quality feeds. The quality of feed you give to a broiler chicken will determine their growth performance. A feed formulated with low quality ingredient will give a poor result. For example, feed formulated with spoiled maize grain and a moldy fish meal will cause food poisoning through aflatoxin, which reduces the nutritional composition of the feed. Some feed millers will purposely prepare the wrong feed for your broiler. For example, when the miller runs out of the raw material for the finisher, he or she will purposely bag starter feed inside a finisher bag, and you will continue to feed your birds expecting a change in growth that may never come. Another aspect is when there is a hike in feed ingredient or raw material. The miller will result in a low quality ingredient, and when you feed it to your broiler chickens, they will never attain the expected weight because the nutritional composition is inadequate. 6. Presence of parasites. A parasite is an organism that lives in another organism and gains an advantage at the expense of that organism. A parasite can either be an internal or an external parasite. This parasite will not only cause poor growth in your broiler chicken, but will also reduce their immune system, which will make them more susceptible to diseases or worsen a current disease condition. The parasite causes stress in chicken, and when birds are in distress, they focus all their growth energy on survival. Regularly check birds for signs of mites and lice, and check common hiding places such as under patches and in cracks. Keep the pen clean, and where possible, allow your birds to dust bath. Also, keep away rodents and local chicken from your pen. They are a major carrier of mites and lice. For worms, you can visit a veterinarian for a proper prescription. In the absence of a vet, you can buy a dewormer that is effective against a particular worm. Keep your pen clean and prevent your bird from picking these worms from infested poops. Also control vectors like a housefly, beetles, and termites. 7. Disease. The presence of diseases in your broiler flock is undoubtedly one of the major reasons why your broilers are not growing. A sick animal will not feed and drink, and a bird who does not feed will lack energy for normal body functions, which include growth. The immunity will be reduced, and the bird becomes susceptible to other diseases that may lead to death. Vaccinate your birds against major diseases like Newcastle disease, Marek disease, infectious bursap disease, also known as Nguboro, and other diseases that may be prevalent in your region. Maintain high biosecurity on your farm. Keep your farm environment clean and free from stagnant water. Make use of a footbath and control the movement of farm visitors. Check out the first link on description of this video to download farming ebooks with advanced farming insights. See you on the next one.